Hello. Stop buying expensive poultry feeds. 7 free backyard weeds and grasses that can help you grow your chicken. They can make your chicken grow faster and give you maximum results. If you're a poultry farmer, the goal of every poultry farmer is to maximize profit and minimize cost. What if I told you that some of the weeds and grasses growing freely around your home, houses, your farm could cut your poultry feed? It can cut the bill, the money you spend on your poultry feed, up to 30% and help your chickens grow faster, and at the same time you make huge profit. Most poultry farmers pull out these weeds and throw them away. Some even pay workers to do it for them. But smart poultry feed is making use of your number 6. And smart farmers feed them to their chickens and save thousands every month from weeds and grasses that grow around their farms. Instead of paying people money to weed them off, they use it and feed their poultry birds because they know the potentials of all these grasses and weeds. Feed prices keep rising every day, but nature has already blessed us and provided free chicken feed in your backyard. Today, in this particular video, I will show you 7 powerful weeds and grasses your birds will love, even better than the commercial feed. Stop spending all your profit on poultry feed. These 7 backyard weeds and grasses can help you raise healthy, fast-growing chickens almost for free. You don't pay money. They are natural grasses that people weed off. After years of poultry farming, I discovered that some of the best chicken feed are not sold in the stores, in the markets. No, they grow naturally around us, and most of us don't know anything about them. Watch the video to the end. You will discover some of these plants. You know some of them, but you don't know that you can make use of them to feed your poultry just free. Don't skip any track so that you will not miss any of them. 1 or 2 or all of them may be around you. Some of them you may be matching on them now. Discover them from this video. Give this video a thumb up and make sure you share the video at the end to reach more poultry farmers. Help one farmer to help others. Thank you. Let's get there.
Here comes green leafy plants known as white greens. It's a common white plant consumed across Africa and Asia, used in indigenous medicine and livestock feed. It has fiber, it has antioxidants, it has vitamin A and vitamin C. Detoxifies the body and enhances digestion of poultry and livestock animals. You can serve it fresh as chopped and mixed with dried feed of poultry and livestock animals. You can as well give the juice to the poultry and livestock animals. Add 1 liter of water, pound it or squeeze the juice out and serve to your poultry birds. Are you ready for maximum results and heavy weight gain in your poultry? Use this plant for 3 to 5 days as juice or as feed. Feeding grass and weeds to your poultry and livestock is what every poultry farmer should emulate, because it gives you 100% free feed for your poultry. Are you finding it difficult to feed your poultry birds? Cry no more. The solution is in this particular video. Make sure you watch to the end and get the best from it. The grass that will help you to feed your poultry birds free could be at your backyard, and most of them you are weeding them off. Here we have porcelain. Portulaca olicera is the botanical name. Originates from India and the Middle East, now widespread worldwide. considered as a superfood for humans and livestock. It has omega-3, it has vitamin A, it has vitamin C, it has vitamin E and iron. It has anti-inflammatory and also immune boosting properties. Porcelain can be fed fresh or sun-dried 2 to 3 times weekly. You can sun-dry it and mix it with your feed and feed your poultry and livestock animals 2 to 3 times in a week. This is the next one, lamb quarters. Chenopodium abium is the botanical name. It's a native to Europe and Asia, traditionally used in ancient diets and animal feed. It has calcium, it has potassium, phosphorus, and protein. It encourages egg laying and growth in poultry and livestock animals. You can use it as chopped fresh or powdered format and mix with the feed as dried one. It helps in boosting your poultry and livestock animals in a short period of time. This is plantain. Plantain is a native of South Asia and West Africa, known for medicinal properties for both human and animals. It contains iron, it contains potassium, it contains flavonoids. It helps in treating diarrhea and respiratory issues in poultry and livestock animals. You can feed by chopping it into pieces and mix with your feed, or you can at the same time dry it and grind it into powder and feed to the poultry and livestock animals. You can as well blend it and extract the juice and use the juice and give them in water. 10 liters is enough for 100 birds. Use this plant and see the results. The next one is nettle. Ortica dioica is the botanical name. It's a plant used in Europe, Africa, and Asia as medicine and food. Recognized for its high nutritional profile. It has 25 to 30% crude protein. It has vitamin K, it has calcium, it has iron. It can be used to deworm poultry and livestock animals. It enriches blood, enhances laying capacity in laying birds. You can use it as a feed booster, add to their feed, or you can at the same time extract the juice and feed the juice as drinking water to the poultry and livestock animals. You can serve fresh or dried, anyone. It is powerful. Dandelion is the next one. Originally from Europe and Asia, now found globally, used in herbal medicine and as a natural tonic for poultry and livestock animals. It has vitamin A, it has calcium, it has potassium. It improves liver function and boosts appetite in poultry and livestock animals. You can feed to the poultry and livestock animals, used to reduce the cost of feeding them. You can chop it into pieces and mix with their dry feed, or you can extract the juice and use the juice in water to feed your poultry and livestock animals. You are going to get amazing results, reduce cost of feeding, and at the same time enhance their productivity. The next one is chickweed. Chickweed is a native to Europe, now naturalized worldwide, known for healing properties and poultry supplementations. It has vitamin C, it has omega-6, it has protein. It improves digestion and reduces inflammations. You can see this to your poultry and livestock animals. It is a wonderful plant.
These plants can be combined with grains. You can as well combine it with commercial feed to add more nutrients. Don't just feed the plants alone. Yes, chicken can eat the plant alone, but make sure you combine it with wheat and grains, bone meal, fish meal, oyster shells, blood meal, and all the minerals and vitamins that is necessary. Share this video to reach others. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.